In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Outlook Online search history. If you want to clear out the searches you've made in Outlook Online, the good news is that it only takes a minute once you know where to look. This can be useful if you want a little more privacy, if you share a device with someone else, or if you just prefer to keep your account settings neat and cleaned up. To get started, open Outlook Online in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Outlook page, take a moment to let everything load fully so the settings menu appears properly. Next, look toward the upper right area of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where you'll find most of the customization and account options for Outlook Online. After you click it, a Settings panel will open. From there, click General. This section contains broader account and interface settings, so if you don't see it right away, just look through the categories in the Settings panel until you find it. Selecting General will open more options related to your Outlook experience. Now click Privacy and Data. This is the section where Outlook stores controls related to your activity and personal preferences, including search-related information. If you're following along on a different screen size or browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the option names should still be the same. Once you're in Privacy and Data, find the Search History section. Under Search History, click Delete History. As soon as you do that, Outlook will remove your saved search history from your account settings. In some cases, the change may happen instantly, while in others you may see a confirmation or notice that the history has been cleared. After that, you're done. Your Outlook Online search history has been deleted. As a quick tip, if you use Outlook on more than one browser or device, it can be helpful to refresh the page afterward just to make sure the updated setting is reflected everywhere. And if you're cleaning up your account for privacy reasons, you may also want to review other privacy-related options in the same area while you're already there. That's all it takes to delete your Outlook Online search history.